Hello students, today's our topic about writing skill. In this skill we are practicing story writing. This question is important for board exam also. But in 8th standard we have to practice, just starting the practice of this question. What is the question here? Complete the story by choosing proper words from the bracket. Here in the bracket some words are given. Crow, wandered, in search of, earthen, big, stones, drank, and happily. I am going to read the story, but here you will see some words are underlined. Why? Because there was blank, and I have filled up the blank with the words that are given in bracket. Once there was a thirsty crow. Why I write crow? Because the word crow is written in the bracket first. This is our first practice. So we are writing, or the given words are in sequence. But maybe after practicing it will be jumbled. Okay. But here in sequence I have given to you. He wandered here and there in search of water. In search of. Here is the group of words. So it is the phrase. Then he found an earthen pot of water. You will find that all the words which are underlined, they are given in bracket, and I have chosen from the bracket and write here. Then he found an earthen pot of water, but there was a little water in the pot. So his beak could not reach to the water. He got an idea and collected small stones. He dropped the stones into the pot. As a result, the water arose. He drank the water and flew away happily. Understood what I explained? Some words are written in bracket, and in the story there are the blanks. You have to fill up the blanks with the help of the given words in the bracket. For that I have given you the homework. What is the question? Complete the story by choosing correct words from the bracket. In the bracket words are given: lion, mouse, laugh, free, captured, and tiny teeth. The title of the story is The Lion and the Mouse. Once a blank. Why? You have to write the word from the bracket. Was in a deep sleep under a tree, and again blank. Write the word from the bracket. Was playing there. The mouse even played on the back of the lion. Because of it, the lion woke up and became angry. He caught hold of mouse and said, I am going to eat you now. Poor mouse requested the lion, O king, please forgive me. I am very sorry to disturb your sleep, but I will help you someday. The lion blank. Write the word from the bracket. Ha ha. And said, you little mouse will help me. Go. I made you. Again blank. Take the word from the bracket and write here. One day in the jungle, hunters spread the trap and the lion was again dash blank. Take the word from the bracket and write here. In that trap, when the mouse saw this, he cut the net with the help of his again dash blank. Take the word from the bracket and write here. The lion became free and said to the mouse, thank you. And both of them became friends. Understood, students? In this way you have to practice this question and send me the photograph of this answer.